Y'all, I just never know what I'm gonna come up on in the woods. I'm not sure what this is. Got the heavy duty chains on it. Got the old cultivator fender skirts on it to protect the crop. Some kind of aluminum tank here. Looks like this is an old fuel tank. Another aluminum tank here. There's an old seat and steering wheel. Got a flathead V8 on it. This is some homemade something. I'm not sure what this is. Somebody got happy with the welder. Got this whole front end welded up. Got the leaf spring up here. Homemade grill. See if I can zoom in where you can see the tag here. You can see Ford on there. It's a Ford flathead V8. Got the shields in front of the tires, I guess to keep from smashing the crop down. Whatever we was doing here. But I just never know, y'all. If you got any idea what this is, let me know.